So being in the RAMP program has been very helpful in so many ways. As a first-generation student and being Latina, there's not many people that I can ask questions or kind of see what are the right steps to take. And so that inspired me to join the RAMP program.
Well, Karen has utilized the program to its fullest. She has tapped into my network several times. She never hesitates to contact me when she needs a little guidance.
My mentor has helped me academically and also gaining 2 internships. So actually with the first one, he helped me because he's part of the board, and so I was able to get that internship. And then once that one was done, I looked into another one, and then I asked him, and so he actually still knew people there. So that's part of the good thing about connections, and so I'm able to get that other second internship now.
I told her, you know, we're only obligated for a semester, but I said, I'll stay there with you as long as you need me to help you out. You know, I'll always be there for you to ask questions, get some guidance, you know, use my network, whatever you may do. And she has. She's taken full advantage. And it's been great because I've seen her grow as a student and as a person, and she's obtained 2 different internships, and she's doing really well. I get feedback from the people that she's worked for, and she's doing a fantastic job. So that makes me feel really good as well.